Hello, boys and girls. Happy Wednesday. We are on Unit 3, Week 3, Day 3 in your morning workbook. Double check, make sure you're on the right page. The directions today say edit and write each sentence correctly and circle the verbs. Remember, a verb is what someone or something does. Okay, so number 1. Dad read a story at bedtime now. Dad read a story at bedtime now. You're going to fix that one up and then rewrite it nice and neat online. Pause your video. Number 2, yesterday Jake played basketball. Yesterday Jake played basketball. Same thing, fix it up, rewrite it nice and neat on the lines. Pause your video and do number 2. Daily math review, no explanation needed on that one. Number 6, we get a dot array. So it says write an equation that represents the dots in this array. So we've got blank plus blank equals blank. Number 7, write the missing numbers in the skip counting pattern. So we've got 285, 280, 275, blank, blank, 260, blank, blank. So figure those out. Use your 100 chart to help you. You might find the pattern by putting counters on the numbers 85, 80, and 75. That might help you figure out the pattern. Pause your video and do number 7. Number 8, we've got a subtraction problem. 2-digit subtraction. I would suggest drawing a quick picture to help you with that one. Pause your video and do number 8. And then number 9, 9 plus 2. Our strategy is decomposing a number leading to a 10. So we want to make this 9 into a 10 because 10 is easier to add. So we're breaking the 2 apart. Do I agree with this method? Not really. I would prefer just to think, okay, 9, 10, 11, right? 2 hops instead of doing all this extra work. But it could help you with bigger problems. So do that one, pause your video and do that one. And then we'll start checking from the top. Alright, so we got Dad read a story at bedtime now. Capitalize Dad. It's the beginning of a sentence. We're going to add a S to read. So Dad reads a story at bedtime. Bedtime is a compound word. So we're going to combine bedtime. Okay, Dad reads a story at bedtime now, period. Alright, looks good. I'm going to rewrite number 1 nice and neat. Alright, we got number 1 looking good. Let's go to number 2. Then we'll go back and circle the verbs after we're done. Yesterday, Jake, that's a name, so we got to capitalize it. Yesterday, Jake played basketball. So we need an ED on the end of play to make it past tense, played. And then basketball, if you're familiar with seeing this word, is a compound word. So it should be written as one word, no spaces. So basket, ball. And then we've got a period at the end. So that looks good. So I'm going to rewrite number 2 nice and neat. Alright, number 2 is looking good. So I'm going to switch colors. And we're going to look for verbs. Okay, so this sentence is about what Dad does. What does Dad do? Dad reads. Let's see. Yesterday Jake did something. What did Jake do? Jake played. On to the daily math review. 10 minus 5 is 5. 6 minus 5 is 1. 5 minus 5 is 0. 7 minus 2 is 5. And 9 minus 5 is 4. Okay. We're going to draw an equation to represent the dots in this array. So we've got 3 in this row. And we've got 3 in this row. So 3 plus 3. And there's 6 total. Alright, so the pattern is subtracting. I can see that. And it looks like we're subtracting 5 ones each time. Okay, so this is going to be 270. This is going to be 265. 60 minus 5 is 55, so 255. And then 255 minus 5 equals 250. Make sure you have that one correct. Alright, so I'm going to draw a quick picture for this. 6, 7, 8. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to subtract 51. So the 5 at the top. Okay, cross these guys out. So that leaves me with 3 ones and 3 tens. So 33. I already talked about how to do this one, so now we're down to 10 plus 1 equals 11. So 9 plus 2 equals 11. Alright, nice job. Good luck with your other assignments.